Hello friends. Let's talk about electricity tariffs for electric vehicle charging and how DISCOMs enable this. Highlighted the key provisions in Ministry of Power guidelines regarding standards for public EV charging infrastructure. EV charging stations can have one or more chargers of different types like slow, moderate or fast as per standards specified. This provides flexibility to cater to different EV segments and use cases. To alleviate range anxiety, at least one charging station should be available within 3 km by 3 km grid in cities. One charging station every 25 km on both sides of highways/roads, for long-range/heavy-duty EVs like trucks and buses. At least one fast charging station every 100 km on highways/expressways on both sides. Locating fast chargers near public charging stations is recommended for convenience. Ministry of Power guidelines to enable faster rollout of EV charging infrastructure. 1. Single window clearance system for power charging station through DISCOM online portal. 2. Mandating CPO registration on EV portal for visibility and monitoring. 3. Land availability in government/public entities for pieces on revenue sharing basis. 4. Low fixed rate of ₹1/kWh used for charging to landowner. Key initiative under the MOP guidelines, development of a national database of public EV charging stations via the EV portal and app. Some salient points. 1. B is designated as the central nodal agency to develop and maintain the EV portal and app. 2. It serves as a nationwide online directory of operational public EV chargers. Highlighted crucial aspects relating to safety and technical standards for public EV charging stations as per MOP guidelines. Charging equipment should be type tested and NABL certified as per Indian standards. Certified Energy Association has published technical standards for connectivity and safety of EV charging infrastructure. Key safety requirements include protection against overload, reverse power flow, fire prevention, etc. Periodic testing, inspection and record maintenance mandatory. Important provision enabling open access for public EV charging stations as per Ministry of Power guidelines. This can promote use of renewable energy for EV charging. Key points. 1. Power charging station operators can acquire power from any generation company through open access. 2. Open access to be provided within 15 days of receiving application. 3. No additional surcharges/charges permitted. 4. This allows pieces operators to source competitively priced renewable power. 5. Green charging provides a sustainability angle to EV owners. 6. Solar power synergizes well with EV charging loads during daytime. 7. For premises with greater than 100 vehicle parking, reserving greater than or equal to 5% spots for EV charging is recommended. EV charging tariffs across states with the Ministry of Power's guidelines. 27 states currently have EV tariffs within the ACOS limit specified in the Ministry of Power guidelines. However, 17 states still have non-single part tariffs and 4 states have undefined EV tariffs, which differs from the MOP guidelines. The amended MOP guidelines now promote affordable EV charging by offering 20% discounted tariffs during solar hours, 9 am to 4 pm. States should align their tariffs with these provisions to make public EV charging more affordable and promote renewable energy usage. State regulators and DISCOMs have a key role to play here by incorporating the promotional tariffs in their regulations and tariff orders. As you know, running electric vehicle is much cheaper than petrol or diesel vehicles. But the tariff you pay to charge your EV also matters. Different states have different tariff rates fixed by the electricity regulator. To make this simple, the central government has said, single tariff not more than average cost of supply till 2025. This means you pay a single electricity rate per unit for charging, not too high. DISCOMs in each state must align their tariffs to this. For slow home charging up to 7 kW, domestic tariff applies. You can get a separate meter for your EV to pay this low rate. For fast charging at stations, special EV tariff applies. Chargers are over 50 kilowatts. For quick top-ups, separate metering mandatory. Now, DISCOMs have to provide connections to charging stations within 7 days in cities, 15 days in smaller towns and 30 days in rural areas. Quick connections to enable more charging points. Earlier, different states had different service fees. To standardize this across India, the central government has capped maximum service charges. For slow AC charging, ceiling fee is 2 rupees and 50 paise per unit during daytime when sun is out and 3 rupees and 50 paise per unit at other times. Slow charging is best for overnight charging. For fast DC charging, ceiling fee is 10 rupees per unit during sunny hours and 12 rupees per unit at other times. Fast charging quickly tops up your electric vehicle battery when you're on the move. So remember, with special EV tariffs and quick connections from DISCOMs, charging your EVs will be easy on your pocket. Do share this video with friends to